zoom away a bit and pan over to the left here. And let's draw a rectangle on this face, but let's center it just like how we centered the circle. We'll do this a little bit differently though. Rather than use the rectangle tool, which will be difficult to center, we're going to use a new tool called the offset tool. Press F on your keyboard. That will give you the offset tool. The offset tool works by hovering over a surface, not an edge, so it gives you a little no symbol. So hover over this surface and put your cursor more towards the top. So not on the edge, but just on the surface towards the top. See the little red dot up there? Just beneath it. Click once and move your mouse up and down, and you'll realize that you're offsetting edges to the inside here. So move your mouse down some amount and click a second time to set that offset down. And if you orbit, you'll see that you centered a rectangle by offsetting these edges here. Now press P for push-pull, and let's push-pull this all the way through. Click to be in push-pulling back. And remember, you can just push-pull all the way back and infer that back corner endpoint. Click on it, and then orbit around, and you'll see that you push-pulled that through.